celebrating the bounty of an autumn harvest. This is the season where root veg is aplenty, and I love nothing more than roasting it off as a super simple side dish. But this one we're taking the next level with maple roasted veggies.
I mean, let's be fair, roasting anything makes them better. Midge fully agrees and wants a piece of the action, of course she does. So into a roasting dish, I've gone in with 400 grams of potatoes, half a large butternut squash, 2 red onions, 2 carrots, 3 parsnips, just all chopped, de-seeded, and I've left the skins on most.
It's a bit of a free-for-all, to be honest, so whatever you have in your fridge, dig it out, throw it in.
I'm also going in with 6 sprigs of freshly chopped rosemary and 4 sprigs of thyme. Then it's in with a beautiful quality maple syrup, 2 to 3 tablespoons and 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Season up with salt and pepper and get it all nicely coated. Put into a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 55 to 60 minutes or until the vegetables are tender and caramelised. Give it a stir once or twice during cooking to ensure even browning.
Now this makes a perfect side dish, say at a roast dinner or a Christmas dinner if you fancy it, but we're going to take it up another level and make it extra special.
I've crumbled over some cave-aged goat's cheese and some freshly chopped parsley. It's not rocket science, it's just beautiful food.